Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the psychology of learning and how to ace a test. And what you want to do is you want to know all the material. Now, part of the psychology of the human mind is that when we see information that we know, we automatically gravitate towards it. So we tend to relearn what we already know and avoid what we don't. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, there are ways around that. The King schools had a way in their practice test that you could just take questions that you had missed before, so your practice test got smaller and smaller until you had seen all the questions. So when you have a pool of questions, this is what works out really well. Flashcards. What you do is you write on one side the question, what is a contact approach? On the flip side, it's IFR field, but you have ground contact for navigation to be able to land. So now you do the contact approach. You do this for all your cards, all your questions, and you work them both ways until you can answer them forward and backwards. So that if you get a question, 1410, December 1st. Oh, how many videos on Grumman pilots? When you have a pool of questions, you make them into cards and you work through the cards. When you can answer a card, both sides in the deck, it comes out of the deck. So your deck keeps getting smaller and smaller. Must you have an annual every year? No, but the plane is not legal when the annual expires. Clear of clouds, VFR flight. 500 below, 1,000 above, 2,000. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's airplane questions, formulas, sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine theta times sine of theta. Whatever your formulas are, you work them in the deck until you have no cards left, and then you're ready to go take the test, because now you've associated the question with the proper answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's worked very well for me. I had this back in the early 90s in graduate school. I've used it on every test but one that I've taken since then, and it works out really well. If you want a good high score, this is the way to do it. It's a very simple system, so let's make some better grades. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.